Hey, it's Big Jeff. I haven't done an unboxing in so long because we've been just doing giveaways, podcasts, race cars, car shows. It's been crazy. But I'm so proud to do this one. Well, I know it's over a year, but we got the chance to basically run the Black Diamond car audio brand online, and it's been great ever since. We put on multiple distributors, even some online guys, and tons of dealers loving the product. One, it's entry level, but you call it entry level because of the price, but it's great product. We haven't come out with anything new, and I'm proud to announce in front of me right now is some new stuff. Okay, I have a 6-inch and an 8-inch. Now, most popular selling speakers are 4-ohm. Okay, but right behind that, obviously, are 8-ohm. Most of the guys that are loading up a bunch of speakers are using 8-ohm. Because you got 8 ohms, you got 1 ohm, or 4, right? You got 2. So popular. The other thing about full range loudspeakers is the paper cones. Paper sounds the best. That's not just my input. I've heard it a bunch of times. There's a reasoning for it. When the full range loudspeakers pretty much started in the DJ world and made its way to the car world, it was the slap of it, that mid bass, that mid range. It just hits you in the face. And being that it's a full range loudspeaker, it plays from all the way down to all the way up, all the way through the vocals. Obviously, they're not subwoofers. Can they play lower notes like that? Yes. But what I got here, and Black Diamond does have a bunch of options from hybrids to 4-ohm. Bullets, non-bullets. Here's a non-bullet paper cone, 6-inch and 8-inch. The part number on this is the DIA-6MB300-8. Okay, so you have that as a 6-inch. This is a 150 watt RMS, so it does take a good amount of power. And everybody has this misconception. Speaker has to take a lot of power to be loud or big. No, there's a thing called efficiency. And efficient speakers or efficient amps don't need to produce or take tons of power to be good. Give you an example. I used to own a Ford F-150. I did not buy the V8. I bought the V6 twin turbo Eco, and with a mod exhaust intake, I was able to have more horsepower off the line and torque than the V8. Why is that? Well, the combination of the turbos and doing the exhaust and the intake, well, it's more efficient. That V6 was able to produce pretty much the same power as the V8. So look at that in speakers. Just because a speaker says 150 watts RMS doesn't mean it's worse than a speaker that'll take 500 watts RMS. No, they're gonna be loud. It's how clear they are. So I am looking at 2 new ones from Black Diamond, the Element of Sound. You always hear us say Black Diamond Car Audio. And when you look it up online, it will come back to Big Jeff Audio. We are in charge of the online. They are able to be distributed, sold as dealers, and we do approve a few online guys. Let's look and talk about the specs. Well, here's the 8-inch, which is DIA-8MB300-8. As you can see, they're pretty much the same thing in size, except for 8-inch and 6-inch. Same magnet, same power handling. You're just going to get more surface area on the actual cone and the speaker. They are all paper. I just hit the mic with it. These things are loud. They are very clear. I like that paper sound. It's very clear, and that's what guys are using these for. Let's look at some specs. They're going to be a little bit different just because of the size, but I'm going to read off a little bit to you. Now, these are available right now. While I'm doing this, I got some people working today. Taylor, can you look up the price we're selling these for MAP or retail? The 6MB300-8 and the 8MB. While he's looking that up, These are 8 ohm, 150 watts RMS, 300 watts peak, a 96 dB rating. Now check this out. Frequency response, 80 hertz to 6 kilohertz. Yes, sir. So $45 we're selling one of these for. And if you buy a combination of them, you get a slight discount, right? The more you buy, the more you save. All right, so $45. And then $10 more for the 8-inch. That's right now its price. Obviously, could change, but right now, and then when you add more to the cart, you will get a discount. So, excellent price. Back to the specs. 80 hertz to 6 kilohertz. I mean, that's just a huge range. So 80 hertz is almost well, it is sub level. It's obviously not made for that. It's not going to drop down to 32. But think of the mid bass you're going to get out of that. And then all the way up to 6 kilohertz. So you almost can bypass the tweeter and go right to a driver, or not even at all. You know, you might have a couple tweeters in there already, or a set of drivers, which are fine for the really high up frequencies. But this is going to play there. So if you have a DSP crossover, get your settings right. The speaker will last forever. They recommend the high pass crossover at 100 hertz. And what they mean by that is they don't want you really sending 80. It will play that. They've tested that, but it's like a car. It can go 150 miles an hour, but for how long before it blows up, right? We got to get it at its safe speed, and it'll probably drive across country. They are sold singular. And then paper cone, steel basket, ferrite magnet. It's 20 ounces, the magnet size. It's actually pretty beefy, to be honest with you. And then they give you a bunch of specs if you're actually kind of building an enclosure, which most of us aren't going to be worried about that. But overall depth on this, the depth is only 3 inches. So pretty slim. 3 inches of depth can fit in most vehicles. That's pretty cool. Now, on the 8-inch here, which was $10 more, you had 45, you had 55. We're going to open this up. It's still 150 watts RMS, 300 watts peak. This is a 97 dB, and this will play from 60 hertz to 5 kilohertz. They recommend the crossover to be at 80 hertz on the 8-inch. Okay, paper cone, 20 ounce magnet. It's a ferrite magnet. So, I mean, for that price, you're getting a nice speaker. I do like the black diamond on the outer edge. I would have loved if they would have done the diamond on the cone or something, but I understand it's kind of hard with it being concave. Basic terminals, they are serial numbered for you all that try to be shady. Not everybody. You got your black diamond logo on the back. It's just a clean speaker. It's nothing special. It's nothing out of the park, but for somebody that needs to spend $45 or $55 a speaker, and then less when you buy more, to get some real loud, full range sound, here you go. So they're on our website, bigjeffaudio.com. Obviously, you can find them on eBay, and we are working on getting them on Amazon. But always go to the Big Jeff store. Why? Yes, you pay the same price, but you get in a rewards program. You have options to get financed. You also get free swag with every order. So you buy a set of black diamonds, you're going to get at least black diamond lanyard, possibly a mask, maybe a shirt, depending on what you order. So I would always go there. So first, to bring it to you, we have the DIA-6MB300-8 ohm and the DIA-8MB300-8 ohm. And we'll go to the next product. So listen, I'm Big Jeff, doing another unboxing I haven't done in a while. Proud sponsor of Black Diamond Audio. And, we'll do some more of these soon. I know there's a few more products we didn't finish. We will. And I'm working close with them to get some new, fresh products also, little by little. Right now, we are pushing the P2000 X1D. It is on sale for $209. And I know the big selling amp for, what's that brand? Scar. That's it. Don't even want to say her name. They have a 2,000 watt. They sell forever for like $229, discounted. We dropped the price to get these out. They will go back up soon to match the Scar price. But check that out. We're going to get a dyno done. from our fellows at Sundown. I can't wait. Big shout out to Derek for that. So that'll be another video. But while we're on this video, go to bigjeffaudio.com or go to Black Diamond. Is it still up and running? Black Diamond US? Black Diamond Audio.us, correct? We'll still take you to the Big Jeff website. We combined the two sites. No reason to have two separate. We are the ones running this online. And you can always just go to bigjeffaudio.com, brands, Black Diamond, or just filter through what you're looking for. Mix and match, do whatever you want, but get yourself a set of these. All right, I'm Big Jeff. Sign off with another unboxing, another new product from Black Diamond Car Audio. See you soon.